Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you 7 Linux commands that every Linux user should know. These commands can save you a lot of time and make working in the terminal much easier. So, let's get started. The first command is cd-. It lets you instantly jump back to the last directory you were in. So instead of typing the entire path again, just run cd, and you're back. It's a huge time saver when you're constantly switching between two folders. That one simple command can save you a surprising amount of time. Now, let's look at another command that will completely change how you read files in the terminal. The second command is cat. Normally, you'd use cat to read a file. It works, but let's be honest, it looks pretty boring. Now look at the difference. cat adds syntax highlighting, line numbers, and a much cleaner layout, making code way easier to read directly from the terminal. Alright, let's move on. This next command is incredibly useful when your disk starts filling up and you have no idea what's taking all the space. The third command is do, sh*. Instead of checking every folder one by one, this command shows the size of every file and directory in your current location in a clean, human-readable format. So if one folder is secretly eating up 20 or 30 gigabytes, you'll spot it instantly. Meet ncdu. It's an interactive disk usage analyzer that lets you browse directories, find what's taking up space, and even delete files, all without leaving the terminal. Alright, here's another one that I think every Linux user should install. If you've ever used Top, you know it's powerful, but for beginners, it can be a bit overwhelming. There's just so much information on the screen that it's hard to know what you're actually looking at. This is Top. It displays the same system information in a much cleaner and more modern interface, with beautiful graphs, better colors, and an easy-to-understand layout. If you're monitoring your system, Top is an absolute upgrade over htop. Next up is one of my favorite terminal shortcuts. It's so simple, yet it can save you from retyping long commands over and over again. If you've never seen this before, you're going to love it. Oops, forgot sudo. Meet sudo. It reruns your previous command with sudo automatically, so you don't have to type the whole thing again. It's one of those tiny tricks that ends up saving you a ton of time. Alright, we're almost at the end. Number 6 is lazydocker. If you work with Docker, this tool is a game changer. Instead of remembering dozens of Docker commands, lazydocker gives you a clean terminal interface where you can view containers, images, logs, volumes, and more, all in one place. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed Docker without it. And finally, the 7th command, or should I say, shortcut, is Ctrl+R. Need to run a command you've used before? Just press Ctrl+R, type a few letters, and your terminal will search your command history instantly. No more retyping long commands. Those were 7 Linux commands every user should know. If I missed your favorite command, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.